Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Baker and LJ. I'm LJ, of course, and this is
Baker.
So today we are going to be making.
It's called the OG chicken waffles.
Put that up to the screen so they can see how delicious that looks. So we're gonna have chicken thighs and some waffles. All right, so Baker is going to be making the batter for the chicken, and first he's going to let us know what ingredients we're going to need for that first. Oops. All right, so what we got over here?
We got all-purpose flour. All-purpose flour.
How much?
3 cups. About 3 cups of the all-purpose flour.
3 cups. Yeah.
Cornmeal is 4 cups.
3/4 cup.
And then we got bacon. Is it baking soda? Or baking powder?
Baking powder.
Baking powder. Baking powder is 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder.
3 1/4. Okay, and
Cayenne pepper, 4 teaspoons.
Okay, and what's that over there?
Looks like granulated sugar.
No, okay. Salt.
Oh, salt.
Really? Really?
It looks exactly
Really?
like salt.
Just because it's white? Really? It's salt.
Anyways,
How much of that?
this is 3 teaspoons.
3 teaspoons and about how much pepper?
4 teaspoons.
Okay. All right. So, is there anything else we had to add to this recipe?
Oh, we forgot this one.
Okay. And it says 2 cups of buttermilk. We're going to work with 2 chickens right now. We have a whole bowl there of chicken once we're done with these 2 chickens right here. So basically these are going to be the test tubes for the chicken. All right, so we're going to come back after we mix the batter, and then we're going to put it on the chicken, start the fryer up, and get some chicken going. All right, so got the batter all together. Right now we're put a little bit more batter on there. Don't be afraid of batter. You got the buttermilk here. Put your piece of chicken in the buttermilk, soak it. Then put that batter around there. Make sure you have a wire rack next to you. You put your battered chicken on it. Take the second one. All right, ready?
Yep.
All right. So now that green light finally came on. And we're putting the chicken in. Push it down in there. Yep. Close it off. Now, one thing with the chicken, it can cook really fast on top. So what you want to do is lower the temperature. If that because of this. So let's lower the temperature just so it doesn't. Be careful. I don't know. How much did you lower it?
Well, the chicken says 365.
365? Okay. Alright. Come back when that's done. Take about 10 minutes to cook. Alright, so got the fried chicken all settled. Now we're about to make our waffle mix. So what are the ingredients over here that we have for the waffle mix?
Okay, we got all-purpose flour is 1 1/3 half cups. 4th cup.
1/3, 4th cup, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What else?
We got granulated sugar, as in 1/2, 4 cups.
Okay.
Of it.
1 1/4 cup.
We got yellow cornmeal.
Okay.
Is 3 tablespoons.
3 tablespoons. Good. All right.
We got unsalted butter, as in 8 teaspoons.
Which is 1 stick.
1 stick.
Okay.
We got 2 large eggs.
Okay.
We got vanilla extras.
Extra.
As in 1 teaspoon.
You need 1 teaspoon of that. Yeah.
We got baking soda. As in 1/2, 2 teaspoons.
Okay. 1/2 teaspoon.
We got buttermilk.
Buttermilk.
As in 2 cups. 2 cups of buttermilk.
Okay.
Also, we got syrup. Maple syrup.
I got the maple syrup. That maple syrup is very expensive. I'm telling you, maple syrup is expensive. All right, so we're gonna mix all the ingredients together and come right back. All right, so we got the batter for the waffle mix. Mix it until it's all lumpy. Just grab a little bit of it. What we want to do is fill the whole. You need to fill the whole waffle maker. Here's a spoon. There. Good job. Oh, this smells good, y'all. Spread it out a little bit. I don't know if it spreads out on its own or what. Does it spread out on its own? I've never made waffles before. Not really. Alright, so we're going to close it up, see what it does, and come back.
Ooh.
Alright, let's pull the thing up, see what our waffle looks like. Awesome. Oh, it smells good. All right, so we're gonna take this off. We're gonna plate our stuff, and then it's gonna be time to eat. We are back. Look, guys. Check it out. And of course, we're gonna add more maple syrup to this. Check this out, y'all. What time it is now. Stop talking and start eating. I got the chicken. Oh. He didn't even taste of his yet because he's worried about getting the chicken and the waffles in. I ain't got not worried. That sweet salt.
Oh, guys.
Oh yeah.
I liked it.
Y'all.
I like the crispiness. I like the sweetness.
Mm-hmm. Telling y'all. Chicken. Really?
Sorry.
Waste of chicken. So, when we finish eating our chicken and waffles, we want to thank you guys for watching us. Another episode of Cooking with Baker and LJ. I'm LJ, of course, and this is
Baker.
Don't forget to turn on the notification button, subscribe to our channel, like, comment, share our videos. Comment and let us know how your recipe. I would like to see somebody do the chicken and waffles and see whether or not it came out just the same as ours. We have videos the first week of the month and the last week of the month with some shorts in between. And if you have not seen our video of our new book, Top of the Muffin to You, is available and will be released on April 1st. And go to my website and get your copy of my book, Top of the Muffin to You, is available April 1st. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button to get our videos. See you next time.